Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced. See, AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD is given and then AD is produced. E is point on this AD produced and BE intersects CD at F. Now this BE is joined and it is intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. We have to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. ABE, CFB. These triangles are similar. We have to prove this. Given is E is a point on side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. To prove is triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Now proof, we start the proof in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Angle BAE is equal to angle FCB. Angle BAE is equal to FCB. Why these angles are equal? This is angle of parallelogram. This is also angle of parallelogram. In this triangle, this angle is equal to in this triangle, this angle. These angles are equal because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Angle AEB. Angle AEB is equal to angle angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. CBF. Now see, this line and this line are parallel. This line and this line are parallel and it is intersecting. Then this angle and this angle. These are alternate interior angles. Therefore, these angles are equal. Now see, in this triangle and in this triangle and in this triangle, these angles are equal and this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity rule. See here, angle AEB is equal to angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Alternate interior angles. From we have taken these two equations as 1 and 2. Then from 1 and 2 we have these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity rule. Then we come to the question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle AMP. ABC and AMP. These are two right triangles. Here in ABC, angle B is of 90 degree. And in triangle AMP, angle M is of 90 degree. And see here, angle A is common in both of the triangles. Then these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity rule. Now because we have proved that these triangles are similar, then from here CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Because in similar triangles, the sides are in same ratio. See here, we have taken the proof. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equal to angle AMP equal to 90 degree. Then angle BAC is equal to angle MAP equal to are common angles. We have taken it as 2. From these two, we have got these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. Now in these triangles, because these triangles are similar, we have CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. We can see from these similar triangles. CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in same ratio. Then question number 10, CD CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB. CD and GH are bisectors of angle ACB and FGE, such that D and H lie on sides AB and D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC. Triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Second part, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third part, we have to prove triangle DCA. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Now see in these two triangles. First we have to prove CD by GH. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Because the proof always starts from the given. The given is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Therefore we have AC upon FG is equal to AB upon FE is equal to BC upon EG, because the sides are in same ratio. Now see here proof in triangle. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Because triangles are similar and the sides are in same ratio, then half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle FGE. Means this angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This is angle 3. Angle 3. Half of this angle is equal to half of this angle. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, 1 is equal to 3. Angle A is equal to angle F. You can see here this angle A is equal to angle F. Therefore, this triangle is similar to this triangle by angle similarity rule. Now, because these triangles are similar, therefore their sides are in same ratio. Therefore, we have triangle ACD similar to triangle FGH by angle similarity rule. Therefore, CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now, for the next part, triangle ACB is equal to triangle FGE. Next part is we have to prove triangle DCB. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. This is also same. Half of this angle is equal to half of this angle, means angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And angle B is equal to angle E, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. By angle similarity rule, these two triangles are similar. Now next is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. This we have proved just now. Now the next question is question number 11. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced. E is a point on side CB produced on an isosceles triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is isosceles such that AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, see here, AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. We have to prove this triangle is similar to triangle this. Now see, you can see given and to prove from the question. Then we come to the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, one angle is of 90 degree and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. One angle, this triangle, this is angle 2. In this triangle, this is angle 1. These angles are also equal. It is given. Therefore, triangles are similar by angle similarity rule. This is question number 11. And see, this is question number 10 and this is question number 9.